beautify your English fluency? Good question for your thought. How do you beautify yourself every day? How many hours do you allot every day? The same question you put there in English fluency. How many hours do you allot for the development of English fluency? Whenever I see students, immediately my brain is filled with enthusiasm. Whenever I take class, the same spirit is there to lead my students in a right way to master communication skill faster. The total program of British Institute of Spoken English is framed such a way it develops English fluency systematically. For the past 2 months you have been with us in this classroom. Today it may be decorated with balloons, stars, items. This classroom, here what we have done is different experiments. We have experimented skills, art of public speaking in different dimensions. How many of you know 16 rules thoroughly? Please raise your hand. 16 scientific rules divided by do family, does family, did family, will family. Systematic learning. Of course, the same philosophy let us apply in life. How do you dress yourself? Systematic way you dress yourself. Does anybody wear shoes first? After that they wear pants? Yes or no? No. Systematic approach we have. Right from the first class. Started with golden model fluency. Fluency. English fluency festival. Celebration. Celebration. You have learned different techniques, methods, ideas from us. This celebration of learning doesn't end here. I like to ask you a question. How do you beautify yourself? How many hours do you allot every day to beautify yourself? 3 hours? 4 hours? 2 hours? Very interesting question, correct? We take much care to beautify ourselves. We spend 30 minutes in the bathroom, 30 minutes in the dressing room, 20 minutes in the dining hall. Like altogether, if you calculate, analysis says that human person spends 6 hours, 3 to 6 hours a day for beautification process. Do you agree with me that you take lot of hours to beautify yourselves? Correct? I see combs in some of the pockets. Wherever boys go, they comb their hair by seeing colorful dresses, opposite thing. True or false? True, very much. Next, I have another question. How do you beautify your English fluency? How many hours do you allot to beautify your English fluency? For the beautification process, we spend 3 to 6 hours a day. How many hours do we allot sincerely to beautify our English fluency? Hardly 10 minutes, 15 minutes, some days no minutes. If I give you a strong homework, then you may think of allotting 10 minutes. On the way sitting in the bus, you may start writing your homework very fast. But in the book it is written, generate speech at home, but you are generating speech in the bus. The question is very good question for your thought. How do you beautify yourself every day? How many hours do you allot every day? The same question you put there in English fluency, how many hours do you allot for the development of English fluency? When the beautification process of yourself is with you, similar way the beautification process of English fluency is also with you, no doubt. Am I right? Of course. Next, we must learn lessons from others. We must learn lessons from others. We must build up lot of characters. Cooking is an art. Driving is an art. Walking is an art. Dressing is an art. Combing is an art. Drinking is an art. Writing is an art. So many arts. Similar way, speaking is an art. Speaking is as easy as drinking milk. True or false? But one condition, there must be systematic learning. Systematic learning we must have. We learn things from others. Right? For example, some students came friend today, they delivered speeches, some presentations. Correct? How do we spend Sundays usually? How do we spend weekdays usually? They interacted very much. They proved their English fluency. Other students came here and they highlighted about how English fluency is important today in the modern world. Due to the lack of English fluency, how he was rejected from the interview board, how he faced the troubles while facing the TTR in the railway cabin. They explained many things here, we enjoyed. Again, our students will come here and they prove their English fluency. They have learned the art of speaking. They have learned the systematic way of speaking. Here, you saw dancers. Dancers, you have seen 3-4 dancers. They have danced really very well. Right? Have you enjoyed? Yes or no? Do you like to have some more dancers here? Why? Why? Because you like very much. Right? Similar way, if you speak English fluently, others may like you very much. Now from the dance, let us learn some lessons. The dance program came out very well. Correct? It is because of their hard work. Hard work and regular practice. Regular practice. Steps. You saw that. All the steps they made here. It was highly systematic. Systematic. All the steps were beautiful. What is beauty? Beauty means order. We arrange things in order, there comes beauty. When we speak English using subject, verb, object, there comes beauty. They worked hard. They practiced very well. They presented. You danced. You enjoyed. Correct? So, tell me, what are the lessons we learned from the dancers here? Hard work. Correct? Then you ask next question. Do I do hard work? Do I work hard every day? You ask. Then, what other lessons have you learned from them? Practice. 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 The two words, hard work and practice, cannot be replaced by anything in the world. Hard work is hard work. No money can buy hard work. No money can buy practice. Practice is practice. Cannot be praised. Cannot be purchased. It is an internal matter. It comes from our brain. They presented very well. What is the other lesson we have learned from the dance? Punctuality. Punctuality. They keep themselves ready. The moment Our teacher calls, announces, next program is this particular dance. Immediately they come and appear and make you enjoy. The punctuality, they keep things ready. I know your punctuality. It's a British punctuality. British punctuality means on time. British man, he comes gun time. I know that our students are also very much punctual. They are known for punctuality, hard work and practice. The way a teacher speaks English in the classroom, the way the news reader in BBC channel, National Geographic channel, Element Planet, they pronounce things out. We must learn things from others for our development. When we were born in the world, we did not know how to walk even in the world. We learned the art of walking, now we learn steady. Sometimes even you have doubt that whether you are walking steadily like that. We must learn lessons from history of the world. Thomas Alva Edison. Today we say his name here. Why? Why? He has worked hard, dedicated himself, invented more than 1,100 things. We enjoy. We know Michael Faraday, the power supply comes here, invented electricity. Michael Faraday. We know, we see many vehicles, four-wheelers on the road. The inventor, Henry Ford. They worked hard. A person had a long dream that everybody must live equally happily without any slavery. There came Abraham Lincoln in America. He had a dream that there must not be any slave in my country. Another hero, he had a wish that all the people of white and all the people of black must play equally. There came Martin Luther King. He had a dream. Of course, the father of India, Mahatma Gandhi, he had a dream that slavery must be removed, uprooted totally from India. He had a dream. His dream became true that we breathe the air of freedom here. Everybody had a dream. We learn lessons from others. We learn lessons from others. What type of characters do we have? This is British Institute of Spoken English Private Limited. Is known for English fluency. You are occupying the place here. You have selected the right institute. You are trained. Now you are witnessing. You must get a highly paid job. In an easy manner, you must win the interviews because we have given interview training. Above all, in my conclusion, I would say, God is center. God is center. If we remove God, we become zero. If we keep God in our mind, we become hero. Because hero is in our mind. What I say is, every day you must pray to God. Every day in the morning, around before 5 o'clock, you must pray to God. He likes to listen to your prayers. If you pray to Him in the morning, between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock, He will listen to your prayer. He will answer your prayer. He will be with you. He will come in you. He will walk before you. He will protect behind you. He will protect you, your left and right. He will make you speak things wonderfully. You may astonish, how do I speak English like this? You don't know, because the Creator is in you. He is Lord Jesus Christ. Thank you, my dear friends, for giving me this chance to share some of my words with you. Thank you very much. World is round and big. I will meet you again and again. Wherever you go, my presence also may be with you, because golden model fluency is in you.